Last night I like to never got this thing to draining clear water, but I finally did, and finally finished with the drain and fill. Oh yeah, I have a brand new radiator cap, and I'll go ahead and check the level. It's just a little bit low. Okay. I'll go ahead and add a little bit to it, provided I don't spill it all over the place. I'm doing this with one hand, so it's kind of hard. And that is about a 60-40 mix of ethylene glycol and water. So that should do it well into the winter months and provide an adequate boil over protection also. Go ahead and burp it a little bit. It should be good enough. And check the cold fill. That's good. Okay, now the bad. The transmission cooler lines, they are deteriorated, and I could not get them to quit leaking last night. They leaked and leaked and leaked, and I'd cut the lines. I'd done everything I could, and they just would not quit leaking. So I have brand new cooler line. Which size, I don't know what exactly I had to have. So I've got both 3/8 and 11/32. Okay, well, I've talked enough. Let's get this grill out. First, I said that I would just replace the one that was leaking. But both of these are in so bad a shape that there's just no way I'll be able to do that. Well, let me guess, I'm going to end up having to cut this line off again. Okay. There we go. It's almost in too tight of a spot. Okay, I can't do this with one hand, so I'm going to shut the camera off. I'll be right back. Of course, I lost a tripod mount this morning. It's alright, it's not the end of the world. I have two of them. So, when I get a chance, I'll just look for my other one. Of course, also I have to throw this slur in. Slur, comment, whatever you want to call it. I went to a different parts store than I usually go to this morning. I went to an AutoZone. To an AutoZone that is on the other side of town, and of course I was faced with the hateful sales parts person I do not know what her problem is, but she seriously needs an attitude adjustment. I hate to say it. She's rude. I guess she thinks that she can use her looks and just get her away with any person that walks in. That's just not the case here. If I was a store manager, you'd be dealing with some very serious ramifications. Okay, I'll go ahead and get this next one off too. That's my rant for today. I thought this was a factory transmission cooler, but it's not. It is an aftermarket one. So I get this line cut. Alright, putting the final hose on. Had to use several extensions to get down to this one. It should be good enough. Alright, now, I think this is the last of it. I think we're finally done. We're nearing it anyway. We'll find out. Alright. There's one 9/32 bolt, or one 9/32 head bolt. Goes right here. And the rest have a 5/16.